Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can align or add the icons to the taskbar, and also we can see how we can change this default option of the taskbar. I don't like the view which is available now, so right click on the taskbar settings, in the option you have search box, whether to hide the search box. If I hide, this box will not be visible. So let me hide, and if I wanted to get this task view or not, I don't want the task view, and also the widget. This is the widget. I don't want the widget. I wanted to keep the taskbar plain and simple. I will also remove the chat option, and I will align the taskbar to the left. So this will be my taskbar view. In case if you wanted the search option to be available, only the search icon and label or search box, you can always come back here and choose the option. If I want search box only, I can have the search box. I'll simply hide. I don't want. If I want task view, you can always command enable, or any of the options you can command enable here. If I want to unpin an application from here, I can simply unpin, and if I want to pin the application again, right click and pin to taskbar. Select the application and say pin to taskbar.